Welcome back. We're looking at the Petzl ACTIC Core headlamp today. I highly recommend that everyone have a headlamp if they can afford it, which they should be able to do. This is a higher end headlamp, but my first headlamp, which I have back in California, is a $10 Energizer headlamp that just uses a couple of, I believe, AAA batteries. So these are very useful. Of course, it's a flashlight that you can have with this band on your head so that you can work, you can do whatever you need to in the dark with both of your hands while illuminating the place that you need to see what's going on. I just wanted to show quickly a few other flashlights that I do have. I recommend that everyone have at least 2 flashlights. I think 3 is really the minimum on top of the flashlight on your cell phone. So of course here we have the flashlight on the phone, which is very useful, but that should just be as a backup, in my opinion. Something that you just use when you don't have any other option available, or it's just a quick, you're looking for something under the table or whatever. This is a Maglite flashlight. This one you twist, and I believe these are, let's see what kind of batteries. Yeah, AAA batteries, 2 of them. So this is another convenient little one, but I wouldn't use this as my lifesaver one. This one is a, let's see, what is the name of it? I can't even read the name. I got this years ago on Amazon. It's kind of a Chinese knockoff of this style of flashlight, like a tactical flashlight. If you need to, you could use it to hit someone potentially. But I would still just use it just as a flashlight. And this uses a different kind of battery. You remember what kind of battery this is. Yeah, and these are lithium batteries. So this kind of Energizer lithium battery. The convenience of this is that it's a push button. You see this is without the screw, and it turns on that way. And depending how tightly you screw it down, if you screw it down all the way, then it'll just stay on. But if you do this, and then you have a light press, and you can adjust the press a bit that way. And then the final of the non-Petzl options, this one is a unique one. Parkside is a cheap tool brand, but good value, I think, of the Lidl German store chain. And this is actually a battery for their tool system. So here you have a Parkside drill, and then you have the battery. But this little device is a dual purpose, which is very clever, I think. So it's one flashlight, so it's connected to the battery pack, and you have your flashlight there. You can just place this somewhere and use it while you work. And you have 2 USB ports here, so you can charge your phone or whatever other device from this battery with this adapter. And I think this adapter was just something like 10 bucks. I don't think you can buy this brand in the US, but I'm sure something similar is available for Makita or DeWalt or Black & Decker or whatever. So that's just another clever little flashlight thingy. On to the main event, on to the Petzl. I haven't opened it yet. The unique thing about this is it has what's called a hybrid concept. So it comes with a battery pack that is removable and rechargeable. And if you want to or need to, you can remove the battery pack, charge it, and then use regular AAA batteries in the device. So either use the regular batteries, rechargeable or non-rechargeable batteries, or the battery pack, their so-called core pack. I've been putting it off. So I bought this for $47 on Amazon. I just checked the prices again, and it's all the way up to $72 or $73. So I don't know why it jumped so high, but it looks like there are, and then we have a sticker. Like the prices vary based on the color combination. Some of them have a red housing or other things. And let's see, so this is a mini USB. In any case, this is what you use to charge this battery pack and this battery pack, and there you have the plug for the charger. And let's see if it's still holding the charge after me not be using it yet. So you open it like this. And you start with your red light, and then you've got another light, and then you have the brighter option. So I'm going to charge it up. I'm going to put it through its paces. I don't want to blind you here, but it looks like it's working okay, and you can hold it to adjust the brightness, etc. You have this adjustable, stretchy headband, and one of the options I think which is ubiquitous now with headlamps is that it adjusts the angle so that you turn on, there we go, so if you hold it it'll switch through the cycle through. So if you have it on your head and you need to look at something that's not right in front of you, you can adjust the angle downward. So it feels good in the hand. I think it's about the same type of setup as my trusty little Energizer that I have back in California. So I'll put it through its paces and I'll let you know what I think. Again, this one has the Petzl core, which is a removable rechargeable battery. You can charge it outside of the unit, and then you can put either rechargeable or regular AAA batteries to use this thing while your other battery is charging. Or if you can purchase this, just the headlamp without the extra Petzl battery, which of course is cheaper than buying it together, although I think it's probably worthwhile just to have it so that you have a dual option. You have the rechargeable and you can have some spare batteries. This is Nick, the handy historian. That's the Petzl ACTIC Core 450, and I'll drop the link for that below. Thank you for watching.